Alexa Bliss is now fodder in the WWE Universal title feud through SummerSlam. What is WWE is planning? It could be pretty dark. Braun Strowman is now a heel and it appears that Bray Wyatt is now a babyface. We reported this babyface turn a month ago. You can check that video in the description. Nikki Cross appeared during Friday Night SmackDown this week. This wasn't in the Thunderdome, but she did cut a serious promo about her good friend. She seems concerned and said that something bad is going to happen. It seems that WWE is teasing that something dark is coming for Bliss. We will have to see what is in store. SummerSlam is going to be an unpredictable night in the Thunderdome. The big question is what will be left open for Payback 1 week later. SummerSlam is this Sunday and one match stipulation was changed a bit to add a lot more gravity to the situation. Sonya Deville and Mandy Rose were set to face each other in a hair match at SummerSlam. Deville came out this week on SmackDown and she raised the stakes. Deville proposed that they make their match a loser leaves WWE match. This is a much different stipulation and it's not clear what is happening here, but it's no secret that Sonya is dealing with a legal case against her stalker, so it may be that she is taking time off. There's always a chance that someone will actually leave the company. Mickie James made her return to WWE television after being off for a year and a half. She's not happy about how it all went. Following a knee injury, James did do commentary work for WWE, but she didn't wrestle. Her big return to the ring came against Natalya on Raw, but that match had a lackluster finish to say the least. While speaking to Ring the Bell, Mickie James called her return bullshit. She's pretty hot about it, but there's nothing she can do. The important part is that Mickie James is back in the ring and doing what she loves. It would have been nice if WWE could have arranged a big deal out of her return to the ring. It just wasn't in the cards this time around. WWE saw the invasion of new stable of masked superstars. Retribution is attacking whenever they like, but they might have a top superstar behind their actions. WWE will sometimes drop hints when they have an idea about what they are doing next. The Miz seems to be involved with Retribution in some fashion. Last week he nearly missed a Retribution attack while saying that he was on the phone with Maryse. During this week's episode of Friday Night SmackDown, The Miz came out only after Retribution was run off by the second wave of superstars. This could be foreshadowing, but you never know what can happen when Vince McMahon makes things up as he goes. It definitely seems like WWE want us to look at The Miz's involvement with Retribution.